Okay, so the first thing I did was I applied a concealer all over my lid. I then went in with a medium toned orangey brown and I applied that to the outer part of my lid and I started blending it out then. Once I had that blended out, I then went in with a dark warm tone brown and I just smoked out the edges of my eye. I focused the darker brown on the outer parts of my eye and this just creates a smokier effect. I then went in with a copper shade eyeshadow and I applied that to the inner part of my lid. Make sure all the eyeshadows are nice and blended into each other because this look is quite soft and sultry. I then went ahead and applied some brown eyeshadow as if it was eyeliner to my top lid and I started smudging it out then just so it was a lot softer but still give definition around my eyes. I then applied some yellow to my waterline and then I applied the shadows I applied on my eyelid underneath my eye also. Once I had that done, I then applied mascara and some fake eyelashes. I removed the fallout from underneath my eyes and I then went on to my skin, so I primed my skin using some body sparkles mixed with a primer, so this just gives a nice dewy effect. I then applied my foundation using a flat foundation brush, so this is just going to pack on the colour so it's going to give like more of a full coverage appearance, and then I buffed it in with a stippling brush. I left under my eyes free from foundation and I applied some concealer underneath my eyes. Once I had done that, I applied a pop of yellow in my inner tear duct. I then lightly started filling in my eyebrows. I then put some latex on my eyebrows, so that's the eyelash glue, and then I just like brush them up with a brush so that gives that like fluffy effect. I then went on to apply some blusher, some bronzer and some highlight. I basically applied the highlighter all over my face because I wanted to be super glowy. I then outlined my lips. You definitely need to like lip line your lips when you're wearing red because it just stops it from bleeding. It makes it stay a little bit longer too. So I just outlined my lips and then went in with the red lipstick. So this is the finished look. It's very perfect for summer because it's quite like soft, but it